Hey, it's Anthony here from Breathe Fitness. With the unfortunate coronavirus situation all over the world, events have been cancelled everywhere. So the London Marathon have put together a challenge with the Royal Marsden Cancer Charity to come up with some form of exercise routine using the numbers 2 and 6. So I've put together a circuit that involves those two numbers. The reason why I'm doing this is that my partner works on the front line at the Royal Marsden looking after the cancer patients. So it's a charity that's very, very close to me. So I hope this workout does something to help them raise money and to bring a bit more movement into people's lives. So let's go for it. Okay, in this first circuit, we're going to do 2 exercises for 6 rounds. Exercise number 1 will be star jumps, and exercise 2 will be squat touches. We're going to do 10 repetitions of each exercise. Let's see if we can get through all 6 rounds without stopping. If you do need to stop to have a quick breather or a drink, just pause the video and then re-continue. So when you're ready, let's go with exercise number 1, and let's go for all 6 rounds. Off we go. Exercise number 2 is a squat touch. So from here, you'll go out into a squat, touch the floor, and you'll swap arms, okay? So again, another 10 reps. Here we go. Good. Okay, we are 1 round down, 5 to go. Let's go straight in. Exercise 2. Good. 2 rounds down. Let's go straight in, number 3. Good job, we're halfway through. That's 3 rounds down, 3 to go. Ready? Let's go. Good. Round 4 complete. Should really feel your heart rate going now. Okay, let's go for round 5. Come and fly with me, there we're gonna have a good time for sure. Down, last one. Let's get it done with. Let's go. Good job. Grab a drink, take a minute. You're 60 seconds now before we start the next circuit, which will be 6 exercises for 2 rounds. So have your minute and then we'll get going with the next one. Okay, in the next circuit we're going to do 6 exercises, 10 repetitions still of each one. We will rest at the end of the first round and then we'll go back and do a second round. First exercise is a staggered push-up. Rather than do a push-up regular arm width, you're going to have one arm slightly in front of the other and one behind. So you're going to alternate for the 10 reps. Feel free to do these on your knees if you need to, otherwise do 4. So go into a push-up position, have one slightly forward and back. When you're ready, let's go for 10 reps. Good. Exercise number 2, stand up. This is going to be a reverse lunge with a knee raise. We will do 10 on our left side and then we'll do 10 on our right side. So start towards the front of your mat. From here into a reverse lunge and then drive that knee up. So that's 1. Swap legs. Good. Again, heart rate should still be up nice and high. Now we're going to go what's called a Superman squeeze. It's very difficult when you're bodyweight training to get your upper back and doing pulling movements. So this is just going to help get the back working. So lay on your front, arms are going to be stretched and legs stretched. For this, we'll come into a back raise. Pull the shoulders in and squeeze. Back to the floor as you extend. Okay, 10 of these. Off we go. Excellent. So I know you should have felt your lower back and your upper back all working on that one. 5th exercise, penultimate exercise of the round. We're going to do a cross body mountain climb, so we want to get a bit of rotation in there. Now for this exercise, both legs is 1 repetition when we do the 10. So from here, go up into a hand plank position and it's your knee goes towards the opposite elbow and then you swap. Do this at your own speed, you can go faster if you want, otherwise just focus on your technique. So 10 reps, so let's go. To finish the round, we're going to do a marching plank. Same rule applies. Both legs is 1 repetition here. So you're going to hold a plank on your forearms. You're just going to raise the legs straight up behind you, engaging the glutes and just getting a bit of movement. So when you're ready, lift up into your plank. Let's go. Take about 30 to 45 seconds to recover now. Have a drink, I'm going to go back and repeat the second round, and then we're finished with this small workout. For this next round, as you now know the exercises already, I'm just going to go from one exercise straight into the next. We're going to try and get all the way through. Just remember, work at your own speed. Focus on your technique. If you do need a breather during, pause the video, restart it when ready. Okay, so if everyone's ready, we're going to get this second round done. So we're going to start with the staggered push-ups. One arm just in front, one behind. Let's get through this last routine. So when you're ready, everyone, let's go. Good, 3 exercises to go. Down to the floor, Supermans. Let's go. Exercises to go, sweat's coming now. Cross body mountain climbers, penultimate exercise. Going to hand plank, let's go. Good job. You should really feel that in the lower part of the abdomen. Final exercise, marching plank. 10 reps and then you're done. Get yourself set. 3, 2, 1, go. Done. Well done, everyone. Oh, I'm sweating. Have a drink, take a minute, and then you want to make sure before you finish, go in, do some stretches, let your heart rate come down, relax, and then you'll be finished there. So I hope you enjoyed that workout. Hope it got your heart rate up and just gave you a good workout for the day. Please hit the subscribe button and like. And I'll see you soon for another video. Take care.